30 thoughts. Knowledge is power. Work is worship. Character is a destiny. No pain, no gain. Sound mind in sound body. Practice makes man perfect. Hope is the essence of life. A good deed is never lost. You never fail until stop trying. Action speaks louder than words. Every day is the fresh start. Delay injustice is injustice. A fool man cannot be still. We become what we think about. Confidence is a key to success. Charity begins at home. Positive attitude creates positive people. Experience is the best teacher. Difficulty is a severe instruction. Success is a journey, not a destination. Progress is a law of success. The great artist is a simplifier. Laughter is the best medicine. Kindness makes you the most beautiful. Failure is the first step of success. Good things happen to good people. First things always first. Good luck never come late. Desire is the very essence of man. A friend is need is a friend indeed.